Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by placing the image on the page. Insert it from the Insert menu or drag and drop so you can rotate it in context. Once inserted, click to select the image and make sure the image isn't set as background. Background images lock orientation. If you're on a tablet or phone, tap to select and reveal handles. Make sure OneNote syncs changes by checking the status. Syncing avoids lost edits when you rotate and reposition images later. Once the image is selected, you can rotate by dragging the circular handle above the image. This gives freeform control so you can visually align it. For precise rotation in 90-degree increments, right-click the image or long press on touch and choose Rotate. Repeat as needed. If you need exact angles, rotate roughly, then use layout guides or grid lines to fine-tune. On mobile, use a two-finger rotate gesture to turn the image while watching alignment with surrounding content. To finish, crop or resize the rotated image so blank corners don't disrupt your layout. Cropping after rotation preserves the intended frame. Make sure to lock or group the image with nearby content if you don't want it to move. Right-click and choose the appropriate option. If rotation causes blurring, replace the image with a higher resolution file. If rotation fails, restart OneNote or reinsert the image. That often clears temporary glitches and forces a fresh render.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.